Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to measure engine airflow and other parameters using VCDS software. This demonstration is performed on my 2018 Volkswagen. Before we get into VCDS, here's the full list of parameters we're going to pull up: engine speed, intake air temperature, air mass specified value, engine load, engine speed actual, and a second intake air temperature reading. 6 values total, and by the end of this you'll know exactly where to find each one. First step, key on, engine off. Get the ignition to the on position but don't start the car yet. Then plug in your VCDS interface and open the VCDS software on your laptop. From the main VCDS screen, go to Select Control Module, and click on One Engine. This connects you directly to the engine control unit. Once you're in the One Engine module, click on ADV, Measure Values, that's Advanced Measuring Values. This is where we'll search for and select the specific parameters we want to watch. Now find and select these codes. Search for engine speed, and check IDE 00021. Search for intake air temperature, and check IDE 00348. Search for air mass specified value, and check IDE 00350. Search for engine load, and check English 104044. Then search engine speed again for English 102494, which is the engine speed actual reading. And finally the second intake air temperature entry, English 101741. Once all 6 are checked, they'll show up together in the main window with their live values. With the engine still off, take a moment to record these baseline values. Engine speed is at 0, intake air temperature is reading ambient, air mass and engine load are both at 0 since there's no airflow yet. Go ahead and note these numbers down or take a screenshot before moving to the next step. Now, while VCDS is still displaying these values, go ahead and turn on the engine. Watch what happens to each parameter. Engine speed jumps up to idle. Air mass starts flowing and the specified value moves off 0. Engine load shifts as the ECU adjusts for idle conditions. And intake air temperature will start to climb as heat builds up in the engine bay. Please keep in mind that this is just a demonstration and not a diagnostic. It's meant to show you how to access and read these live values in VCDS, not to interpret a specific problem. If you found this interesting, I've got a full write-up linked in the description that goes into what each of these parameters actually does and which fault codes can show up when they go out of range. Check it out if you want to go deeper. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.